Hey everybody, welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to be walking through a 2023 240 Vantage by Boston Whaler. Starting back here, moving our way to the front of the boat, you have a 250 Mercury Verado there. Plenty of power for this boat, going to be great if you're going skiing, if you're going anything like that. You can also get that in the white cowling trim if you'd like. Two rocket launcher style rod holders back here. Plenty of space to walk through if you're getting on the port side of the dock there. And your swim ladder right back off the starboard side there. Port corner, you have your live well, clear top with a blue liner. All right, it is illuminated down there, aerating, filtration, fresh raw water live well there. Up the sides, you have two rod holders, a cup holder, and space to pull your lines through from the dock. Tow rails underneath on both sides. Your freshwater fill, freshwater shower, and a nice big bench seat back here. Now, if you're out fishing one day and you want to tuck this away, nice, simple, easy, and you got a big cockpit area here to run around the boat, go fishing, get your favorite catch. You have a table mount on the port side of this bench seat here, and this is a multi-position seat, so you can leave it here so you can get seats on both sides. You can create a lounger with it facing aft, or you can open that up so it's either a multi-position seat or a larger lounger. While we have that down, you have storage to the front side, and this side actually storage underneath as well, but it does convert into a bow-facing lounger there. Quick, easy, simple, nothing to break. And it tucks right back away there. Throwing this seat back up, we're gonna move up to the head on the boat. We got a couple things in here as we're just prepping the boat still. We just got this in. But you can see big, spacious area down there. Magnetic latch on the door, vacuum flush, sink, everything is down below there. Moving to starboard at the helm, you have Mercury's digital throttle and shift with the electric start. Simrad screen, JL audio, tachometer and speedometer gauge, as well as two cup holders, chargers, and space to throw your phone and wallet keys. Simrad VHF, compass center line with there as well. You do have the bimini top and the chrome trim on this one here. Great if you're going under bridges, small areas, stuff like that. Great option for convenience. As you move to the bow of the boat, you do have a bow ladder up here, another freshwater shower, and plenty of room for seating. Two more speakers, cup holders throughout, and there is actually a bow filler cushion that'll pop right in here too. Listen, great boat guys, 240 Vantage. Runs like a much bigger boat, so it's gonna get you through if you're going out in some chop. You don't have to be as afraid as you are in some of the other boats going out, taking some waves, inclement weather. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat we have in stock, give us a call at 781-635-8684. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.